Gee, I do wish there was an easier way to drink water while I'm waiting to get on track. I'm taking off my helmet. Oh. If only somebody had an amazing product. Are you tired for waiting for your turn to be on that track and you want to get a quick drink of water, but you can't because you got to take off your helmet, you got to pull over? Because you know when you're on track, the most important thing you can drink while you're there is water. And in order for you to have water, the fastest, quickest, and most efficient way, D&D has come up with a solution for you. And today we're going to show you how to install the... Thank you, go away. D&D hydration pack. So we're going to take out our seat. We're going to show you guys how to install this. Should be a really simple install, and hopefully this helps you guys out at the track. Let's go! Alright, so I'm not going to show a full-on video on how to take out the seat. You guys have probably seen the install video for these D&D seats, which I gotta say, they're pretty darn good for having them out for a good while. Love these things. So I'm gonna get this whole seat, take it out, and put it right there. Bam! Here's our seat. We decided to take ours out because honestly, we can't get to it from the back. We have no back seats. I didn't want to climb through the back of the hatch, so it was a lot easier just to take out the 4 bolts and get full-on access to the back. Next, we're gonna get our hydration pack, and we're gonna put it in the back. But before you do, there's an easy step you gotta do. Alright, so inside your hydration pack, you're going to have, in this zipper right here, that is actually where your water thing is gonna be at. I don't even know what to call it. And your hose to drink out of. Because yes, this thing attaches to your seat, and you pretty much have a camelback attached to your seat at all times when you're out at the track. And I gotta admit, that's pretty awesome. So you no longer gotta take off your helmet. You don't gotta do anything but reach on over, pull the hose out, put it in your mouth, drink, let it go, and you're good to go. So, and it's a lot easier. I was told from the guys in D&D, shout out to D&D for this video, by the way. They are our sponsor for this video and our longest sponsor that we've had. So they're the ones who told us to install the pack on the seat first before you fill this in. So you want to take out the pack, you want to fill it up with water, and then you put both on the seat. Because I believe what they said is if you, I guess because it uses Velcro and double-sided tape to attach to the back of the seat, if you just put this on without putting water in there, this shifts a little bit and makes it bigger, and you won't be able to get all the water in here if I have it correctly and how they told me. So for now, I'm going to fill this up with water, put it back in here, and once we're done with that, we're going to attach it to the seat. Alright guys, so we just filled up the water pouch with a little bit less than 2 liters of water. This thing can hold 2 liters, or I think it says 72 ounces of water, which is more than enough to keep you hydrated on track. So your little pouch, open this up, put water in it, close it up nice and tight. Water ain't gonna go anywhere. You have your little knob here. If you guys ever use camelbacks, good thing is like you bite on it, you squeeze on it, suck on it, you have water. So cool thing also, you guys can see inside, there's like little, not little, but it's covered in, I want to say like temperature lining. So if you want cold water, it keeps it cold for a while, which is honestly pretty cool. And please note, on your water pouch, there are these 2 inserts, holes, whatever the heck you want to call them. So when you put it inside your pouch, there's some straps in there to hold it in place from stopping this from slushing around everywhere. Alright, so I'm going to suggest for that. Right. So before you fill up your pouch with water, I highly recommend you unscrew the hose from the bottom of the pouch, put it through the pack, and then once you're done with that, then you're gonna fill it up with water, and then you're gonna put this thing back. Best way to do this is when you unscrew it. It's honestly the same way when you screw it back. Just put it back in, get a couple twisties. There's an O-ring in there so it doesn't leak. Once there's nice and secure, nice and snug, you're good to go. And then from there, you can get the pack and put it right back inside the pouch. But don't forget to secure your pouch using the Velcro straps provided. I'm gonna put that in here to the hole in the pouch, Velcro it on. Same thing to the other side. Get the Velcro strap, put it through the hole in the pouch, and let's see here. Then you're gonna put it back. And there you go. Then at this point, zip it up, and you're good to go. Your hydration pack is ready to be installed. So I do want to point out, this thing's pretty neat, by the way. You have extra pockets right here on the side if you want to store some extra goods. You need some extra tools at the track, some zip ties, whatever you need. They will be right here for you at any times. All right, so I'm right behind the seat. I got the pouch ready to go. I took out some of the Velcro straps, righted. One of them is pretty cool. It straps in through one of the loops for your seat belts, and it's to keep your hose right next to you, which is if you want your hose to your left, your hose to your right, you get to choose. I'm gonna go right, so I'm gonna install this later, but now, and first, I'm going to put this Velcro strap through this hole and then back into this hole. Cool. So, once you put this strap on, snug it up. Make sure the strap is good. Next, what I'm going to do is take these little things out. So if you guys can see, show it a little closer to you guys. You got tape right here. You got Velcro here, so you can actually take off the pouches. It won't be permanent. And be Velcro there, and I believe we got more legs on the bottom that can wrap around in the back. And this thing will be super secure, actually. It's super cool. And you can take it out whenever you like, whenever you're not using it. And I got nothing but cool things to say about this, honestly. I'm a huge water nut. I'm always constantly drinking water, always staying hydrated, so this is awesome. I noticed we also have a strap down here. This is most likely going to go underneath, and I'm going to Velcro it to the bottom of the seat rail, or the seat bracket, as you would say. And this is why we also say you want to put water first. If you notice, it kind of ovals out a little bit, and without water, this will be probably super flat. And once you put the pouch in, the pouch might not fit with a full pouch full of water. So you want to make sure the pouch is full, or as to the best you can, and then that's when you start putting in the double-sided tape with the Velcro straps. So I'm gonna get doing that right now on this side. Hopefully you guys can see. I'm actually gonna take them off from both sides. I wanna make this as even as possible. Just took out the Velcro straps. You wanna make sure the back of your seat is nice and clean. And shove it forward a little bit. Center it as best you can. And tape away. Put a little bit of pressure. Make sure that tape adheses to the seat. Next, I'm going to the bottom ones. This is super simple. Once I do that, make it nice and snug. I'm gonna put that there. I'm gonna put this here. Again, apply some pressure. I'm gonna get this bottom Velcro piece, wrap it to the bottom of here, wrap it back, and it's good to go. Hopefully you guys can see that bottom piece right there. So that's good to go. That's good to go. Technically we're done here, but I'm gonna put this strap piece for the hose. Hopefully you guys can see from that angle. Simple as this. You tie it onto here. You can get this piece right here. Put the hose through it. That'll hold it there. And then this piece will hold the hose up here. There we go. And now you got your water ready. And then adjust your hose to however you want it. I'm probably gonna want it a little bit closer. Like that, so I can just pull on it whenever I need it. So there you guys go. It's fully installed. I think it's pretty rad, honestly. So I'll show you guys real quick. You guys are at the track. You don't gotta take off your helmet. Look at this. You guys can even see it. It's like right there. I don't gotta move anything out of the way. I just grab it. I can pull on it, throw it under my helmet, get some water, baby, and just let it go, put it back, and it's not gonna bug me while I'm driving, and it's in the most ideal and perfect place. So D&D, you guys knocked it out of the park. Lucy's trying to get on this video like always. Look at her, look at her. But yeah, there's your guys' video. I'm gonna put the seat back in the car and see how it feels inside the car. But if you guys have any questions, put it in the comments below. I'm gonna put a link so you guys can purchase this directly from DND. If you guys want me to get it for you, you can just shoot me a message whenever you guys want. I can most likely get it for you guys as well. But you guys can see the Velcro straps in the back. This thing is cool. And then I'm gonna let the double-sided tape adhere a little bit, but you guys can take out the Velcro, take the pack out of the way. So when the car sits for a while, you don't want this to get beat in the sun. You can take the pack out, leave it in the garage, leave it somewhere else, and should be well kept. This is awesome. This is super cool. Again, huge shout out to D&D, our longest sponsor we've had ever since we got into drifting. They've been backing us up, getting this girl ready to hit the track. I know I haven't hit the track. I think I hit the track once with this thing, and I just bought it. It's bone stock. But I do need to do a walk around video on her. You guys can get to know her a little better, but she's looking good, she's feeling good. Hopefully we get some extra mods coming in. But yeah, D&D, thank you so much for this, so much. Huge shout out to D&D. So as you guys can clearly see, the seat is back in the Z, and this thing is right here. So this little Velcro strap right here is pretty awesome. I can move it out of the way, I can bring it back, as simple as twisting this and back out. I got some water, baby. Well, this is cool, man. Out of the way, lock it in as I twist it back. Yeah, this is neat. This is super cool. So I'm absolutely loving this, and hope you guys are happy to get another video. Haven't uploaded one in a while. Again, life gets busy real quick, and just want to say thank you for everybody who's been supporting. And hopefully I can come out with more videos soon. Hopefully you guys like this one, and Merry Christmas.